Hi all, welcome to the video. In this video we'll look at how we can calculate multiple summaries from various numeric variables. Let's say we have a data frame where we have sales data and we want to calculate some mean and also median of these sales data. Now how can we do that in R? The challenging thing would be, if I take a given metric sales and I just write or I create various numeric variables such as mean of sales, median of sales, or sum of sales. But let's say instead of sales, if there are multiple numeric variables present in the data frame, then the task become very cumbersome. So in this video, we'll look at how we can, let's say, leverage dplyr library and create a sort of setup where we can summarize multiple numeric variables irrespective of the length of the numeric variables or number of numeric variables. So let's start. I have created a data frame where I have two products, product A and B, and I have week 1, 2, 3 and sales number. Now the important thing here is I have two records for product A and I have two records for product B. Now let's say I want to have summaries around what is the total sum of sales for these products across these 3 weeks and what is the mean of the sales for product A and B across these 3 weeks. So let's start. So first of all we will group by product. Now we want some just a second. Now we want something that basically goes across all the numeric variables and basically sums up the entire thing or calculate numeric measures on these. So I will just use across and then I will use everything. Everything is basically used for all the variables. So across all the variables I want specific summaries. So what are these summaries? I want mean. So if you see 17 plus 12 is 29 and if I take the mean it is basically 14.5. So I've got this. Similarly for other weeks and across other product. Now if I want let's say sum, so it will basically give me additional columns. Now the one with an underscore one extension is basically your mean because it is coming first, and the one with the underscore two extension is basically related to sum. Now this is very difficult to visualize, because the column names are not specific and column names does not relate to the metric it is being calculated. So what we can do, we need to change the column names. So how we can do that? So wherever we have underscore one, we basically need to replace it with sales, and wherever we mean, and wherever we have underscore two extension, we need to replace it by sum. So what we will do, start with column name df1 and just replace underscore one with underscore mean. Let's see what we, oh, I think, yeah, this will come here. Let's see. Okay, so you see wherever we had underscore one, it is being replaced by mean. Let's call it nm1. nm1 is basically for name 1. Let's now create nm2 because we have to also replace underscore 2 with mean, underscore 2 with sum. Okay, let's take this and we have to replace it in nm1. Now nm2 will basically have the entire detail where underscore 1 has been replaced by mean and, oh, sorry, underscore 1 has been replaced by mean and underscore 2 has been replaced by, what's happening, sorry, my bad, yeah, again. So underscore 1 has been replaced by mean and underscore 2 has been replaced by sum. Now we will reassign nm2 as column names for df1. Now if we just look at df1, we have error in could not find columns. Oh God, my bad again. So you see, we now have a proper data frame or a summarized data frame where we are looking at for each product what is the week wise mean and week wise sum. I hope this video was useful to you. If you like the video, do subscribe to my channel.